Hi guys, many of you have been thinking how to start a new website, right? But for that you need three things. First you need to have a domain name, like something like www dot anything, okay, .com or your TLD or anything .org .guide, anything, okay. And after that you need to host that domain to a server from where your website, your content would be live. Okay, something like you need to host like something like in hostgator, or Namecheap also is having their own hosting platform. Okay, and then after you need to install the WordPress website in that particular domain name, right? So first you need to buy a domain name. That could be from anything, like from GoDaddy, Namecheap, any domain portal organization, right? Here I have namecheap.com. Okay, and from here we will first register a new domain name, like anything of your particular business, something like xyz.com or anything like. For now I will just type, okay, whatever here, register a domain.com. I will just search and it should be available. I mean, you need to have a green button here. It's registered domain. The domains Namecheap is suggesting me to buy this domain, but I need in .com, so it is already registered, so I cannot register it. Just try to find any domain name of your particular business. Okay, after that you need to add to cart. Then you will buy a new domain name. Okay, you can access domain cPannel from its backend. They will provide you with the cPannel details, everything in your email. Okay, the next thing you need to have is a hosting platform where you will host your domain name, like your website content. For me, I prefer hostgator, so I have bought a premium plan from this hosting platform. As I have many websites, I have a reseller plan. You can just go on with any of these plans which would fit for you, right? After that they will send you an email with the cPannel details of your hosting, where you will host your website, okay, domain, and install a new WordPress in that particular domain. Alright, so guys, after registering a domain name, your preferred name, and having a hosting, I mean, let's say hosting, so this will be your cPannel of your hosting account. After you buy a plan from them, okay, they will provide you with the name servers, okay, which you have to divert through your domain name to your hosting. Okay, and also you will have a cPannel details where you will find all this information, like create new account, list account, add a package, everything, your cPannel. Okay, so what we have done is we have registered a domain name. We buy a hosting from a hosting company. Now we are going to list that domain in our hosting, so that website can be live and we can install a WordPress in that particular domain. Okay, the first thing will be, now after you register a domain, you click on create a new account. The first thing you need to do before this is the domain name you buy, go in the cPannel of this domain name and add your name server of your hosting company. Okay, after that, after you create a new account, just enter your domain that you have registered, anything, okay, .com, anything, and make your username, create a strong password, type the same password, okay, add any of the email, your personal email, and choose a package. You can already add this is the old hosting. I have many packages already done. As this is the new one for you, what you have to do is select option manually, okay, so save manual setting as a package and add any name to your package name, something like domain, your domain name, okay, like XYZ company, okay. And then after you have to allocate the space, how much space you want to give that to that particular domain or website. If it's an e-commerce website, you need to allocate more space, but as this is the only trial I'm going to show you, this will be 1 GB, okay. Other you don't need to touch nothing more, because this is the only thing which take you space from your hosting. I mean, if you buy 50 GB hosting and allocate 20 GB only to a single website, it will be more. I mean, you don't need that much, right? So below, go to below and click create. Okay, see, I talked about the name server. Just put this name server on your domain cPannel DNS name, alternate DNS name, okay. Add there, make sure to add there, and click on create. So I have already created account for my website, okay. That's here. After you create an account, you can access this cPannel, I mean, behind the bars. I mean, to install, to change codes, anything you can do it from here. It's a file I mean cPannel of your single domain, okay. Now after that, to install a new website, okay, we are talking about a WordPress website. What we have to do is we have to go to quick install, okay. After you have redirected your DNS name, as I told, to connect between Namecheap, I mean the domain name and the hosting, okay. Add the name server that this hosting company gives you to the Namecheap domain DNS, okay. After that, click on quick install, and these are the platform which you can install for your particular website. Also, you can find pre-built themes which if you add to cart and make a new website, it will be automatically installed, and you have to edit. As we are going to install a fresh website, click on install WordPress, okay. We are going to install a WordPress website, so just click on install WordPress. Right, so after that you can see option to install WordPress for free. You need to just click install WordPress, okay. Then after, you have to fill the form, like where you want to install the website. You have to write admin email, block title, what is your website, your company name or anything, okay, your username, your first name and your last name, and then after click install WordPress. Guys, after you click on install WordPress, the WordPress platform will be installed in your domain name, I mean in your hosting, but pointed towards your domain name, so that every time you install your, I mean you type your domain name, new WordPress will be appeared, I mean new website is live. But before that, you need to edit, you need to make a new website. I mean, you need to add home page, about us, your products, right, your description, your contact us pages, let's say 5 pages website, okay. I will teach you how to do that. Hi guys, so after you have hosted a website in a hosting, as I showed you earlier, okay, it will provide you with the login details, okay. It will be like something xyz.com/, okay. Remember this, in any WordPress website, okay, after your domain name you keep wp-admin, okay, or in some case it will be on PHP. Now it will be something.com/wp-admin. Click on enter. In my case, I have already registered a domain, okay. I have hosted in the WordPress website, Okay, now this is the backend of the WordPress website. Now what you do is you put your ID and password that you created during hosting, okay, your website in the WordPress during installation of WordPress through hosting. You have kept your username and password. Do it the same. Or then after this is your backend after you have kept your ID and password. Okay, this will be your new cPannel login of your WordPress website. Okay, in a website usually, but this is already created website. This website is already been created. I have many posts, but you may have, it's a new website, right? I am just trying to guide you on how to create 5 pages at least in your WordPress website. Okay, the first thing after you log in into the WordPress, you go to appearance and themes. Okay, here you need also pages, all pages like your home page, about us, like your products page, your contact us page, you create through pages from the WordPress cPannel, I mean the dashboard. Okay, after you go to themes, if you like the theme you have here, it's already like 2021 and it's WordPress default theme, but you may want to have a fresh look of your business, right? So these are the options you can choose from the appearance. Now you can choose any of your a category list. If you are a news website, click on news, I mean search for news theme. If you are a e-commerce website trying to sell some products, right, you can search themes from here, or you can also find filter. You can see subject, blog, e-commerce and features, everything. You can just choose from your particular business type. Okay, for me I am like let's say how to website, so news kind of portal will be good for me. So choose any of the news theme. You can also type news and you will be given here with the options of news category themes. And if you like any of the layout, okay, you think that my website must look like this, you just hover and click on install. Okay, in this case we will use let's say this engage news. Okay, just click on install. After this theme will be installed in your WordPress. You can go on activating the theme. Okay, but after activating theme you will the appearance will be the same. Okay, but these pages you need to create by yourself. Okay, so that it will after you create a post, I mean in the pages and everything will be look like the appearance as you have just installed. For that case you need to go to pages, okay, and add new pages. See, as this is the old website, I have already 6 to 7 pages which consist of about us, okay, contact us, disclaimer, DMCA, privacy policy, everything you need to have in the website. Like contact us, it's the most important, right? For that you need to go to add new, page, and you can write the title like about us, okay, or let's say like our team if you want to display your team members portfolio. Okay, you can type a title. and this is the page, the space where you have to write the content about the particular page. If it's about us, you need to write everything about your company profile here, like the founder, or let's say everything what your company does through the website. Okay, after you put the text or information, you can also insert images from here. Add media, insert and add media. You can select files what you want to add in the page. Okay, and then after click on publish. After you click on publish, you will have the pages as I showed you earlier. I have already 5 to 6 pages. This is the new page that I just created for you. Right, after you create let's say 5 to 6 pages, you need to have a post like about of your products. If you see any website, let's say this is my website, you can go in here. Okay, this is the website, these are the posts, these are not the pages. Also there is an alternative. As you are a business, you will have only like 5 to 6 pages like home, about us, but for me it's a blog website. So I need to have blog post. So these are my posts. For business website, you can just have these pages like about us, contact us, and keep in your front page, the home page. Okay, then after you create some pages and add some post, what you can do is go to customize. Okay, you are going to customize through appearance, and customize. Okay, this is the thing where you can select your, let's say, menu. Okay, what menu you want in this place, like home, employee portal. Here I have selected a category for my primary menu. Okay, but you can add the page as I told you earlier, you created for about us, right? And like privacy policy, contact us page, you can just add your page, and see it will show up here. Okay, it goes like this. You can add about us here, add items, about us, everything like about us. See, now you can see about us also here. So, and also you can drag and drop, so which sequence you want, like first you want about us or home, or you want home and about us. You can just drag. It's so customizable, right? And also this is the menu thing. The other thing is what you want to display in your home page. You want to display a particular single page, like for your business. Okay, you can choose static page and choose a page which you created for home page from the pages section of the dashboard, right? But for me, as it's a blog website, my latest post will be my home page. It will be displayed in the home page. The other thing is you can add widget, like you can see many sections where you can add widget, like after your logo, the right side of your content and below. And the widgets will be like recent post, like tags if you want to display tags. And let's say I will just right sidebar. Okay, I have just choose recent post and categories for my widget, my right hand side widget. You can add more. You can see categories, you can add calendar, you can customize according to your need, right? If it's a business website, you can add social icons so people can just like and see the content of your Facebook feed in your website as well. Okay, accordingly you can see in the slider area if you want to add anything in the slider area after the logo. Okay, these options differ from the theme that you use or install. Okay, after you do everything like you customize website, now your website will be ready for the clients, I mean for whom you make this website. Okay, you have created a home page, you have created a pages, and also you have put some post so that your clients or visitors can read and gain knowledge what this actually a website is about. Hi guys, so you are in our website. Okay, this is the website, WordPress website. So today I am going to guide you how to have a new post like this on a WordPress website. So for this, first you need to log into the dashboard, I mean the backend of the website. So I have changed this some for the security reasons. Actually it should be your domain name /wp-admin. Okay, from this you can go to your backend. For me, I have changed a little bit for the security reasons. Okay, so you will be in the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of my website, the backend. So here you can see dashboard post. Okay, from here you need to create a new post. After you hover in the post, you can see all posts, add new, categories, tags. So you have to click on add new. Alright guys, after you can see a blank where you can add your titles, your description, let's say body of your website. Okay, and below you can see rank math. It is a SEO plugin, the most important thing for your post to boost in Google, let's say to compete your competitors with keywords, actual description of the post, and let's say the product you are going to add in the new post. Okay, so first thing you will do is add a title like anything. What is your product about? Let's say XYZ is the let's say anything about how to reset okay, this will be your topic, let's say the title, and this will be the question, and here in the content field you will write what the Facebook is and how you can reset the Facebook password with steps. Okay, I mean adding with images, I mean showing by step will be grateful to your users, I mean your visitors. Okay, if you describe very nicely and step by step, it will be easy for them who cannot understand a simple PC things. It will be easier for them to reset the password with your easy steps. Okay, the next thing will be here. So this will be your title of your page. Okay, and this will be the permalink. Permalink means this one, how your users will view your content like this. So in this post, this is the permalink. Okay, this will be the permalinks, and this will be the post main keywords you are focusing to in this post. In this case, how to reset Facebook password, you can write reset password, Facebook reset Facebook WORD. Okay, so this will be the permalink. See, you can see here this will be the domain name, and after that if user will find your content in this URL, this will be the URL, I mean the permalink. Okay, and description is the thing what you have written in this content. If you have maintained any sort description, just put it here, or else you can also choose from here expert excerpt, you can see here percentage excerpt percentage. This will extract useful content of your post from here to the SEO description. All right, and now this is the focus keyword. This is the place where you have to put the main keyword for your post. In this case, your main title is reset Facebook password, right? So this will be the main keyword for your post. Actually it's red now because I have not written any content. It should be like below you can see green and red. Red means you have to work on these things like add focus keyword to SEO meta description. In meta description we haven't kept anything because we haven't written anything in the post. Okay, that's why it's saying red. We have keep the title. So see, you can see the title. Focus keyword is used in URL. The focus keyword reset Facebook password is also in the URL. Okay, it will show you how to optimize your let's say content. And as you can see, as I told you, our content should be valuable and like informative, as long as your visitors should understand that what you are going to teach them. So minimum should be 600 to maximum 2500 words according to your title. All right, in the right hand side you can see save draft, publish, and you can choose the category for what instance is the topic is for. Let's say this is for Facebook. Okay, so maybe I have here social. See, you can choose social. You can add tags like keywords for your like two to three tags like reset Facebook password, okay, forgot Facebook password, like these. Like tags are also act like keywords in your post. Okay, the other thing is add featured image. As I showed you earlier, when you go to the home page of the, because I have disabled in the single post, these are the featured images for the post. Whatever you add here, set as a featured image, select files and you add that one. Okay, it will be displayed in the featured image place. And after you have already finished everything, let's say content, your SEO, you choosing your categories, at the end of the day you can just publish it. Or if you still think that it needs to be worked, I mean you still have more content to add in this post, you can just save draft. So later on when you go to post, all post, you can see your draft over here at the top, and again edit that one. See, you can see how to reset Facebook password at the top as a draft. It has not been published. So again you can go inside and edit the content. Okay, as I did before, you can just edit, like you can edit title, keywords, everything, and can publish. So guys, this is the new way to have a new post in a WordPress website. If you have any comments or any topics you want us to show in this video, just describe in the comments below. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
So hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in your main domain. For that, first you need to log into your hosting cPannel. Okay, so this is my hosting and I'm going in. Okay, every hosting has their own dashboard. This is my hostgator, so this is my dashboard. Okay, and I'm going to create a subdomain in a single domain. I have many domains, I have many packages. So today I'm going to show you in my own website. Okay, this will be the main domain. Okay, so you will go in the cPannel of the main domain and you will have your own dashboard where you can find subdomains. Okay, this is my subdomain panel from where I can create subdomain from my main domain. something like xyz dot yahoo.com. I mean, Yahoo is the main domain, like mine is upay portal. Okay, so I'll click on subdomains. So for example, it will be like test. So we are doing test, and I will show everything, all tutorials in this subdomain. So I will put test. The domain will be upay portal. Okay, and it will be, whenever you type test.upportal.com, or let's say anything, test.yourdomain.com, okay, the website will be open. Okay, after the subdomain has been created, okay, the subdomain has been created, right? So after this, you need to make a website under it. You need to add a platform from where your website will be live, something like WordPress, PHP, anything you can add. Me, I'm good in WordPress, so I will install WordPress in this subdomain. Okay, so this is the way how you create your subdomain. See, if you try now, the website is not live, you can see here. Okay, thank you for watching video. In the next tutorial, I will teach you how to install a WordPress in this subdomain. Okay, thank you for watching video. So guys, this is my subdomain as I created earlier. Now for any website to be live, I mean for interaction with the users, you need to install a backend like WordPress, or let's say a platform, okay, like WordPress, Laravel, or PHP, anything, HTML. I mean, it should look like a website. For this, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress in your main domain or subdomain. It depends. I mean, this is just a tutorial. I have already set up a website in my domain, so I'm going to show you, to guide you. I have created a subdomain, test.mydomain.com, and in this subdomain I will install a WordPress. Okay, and I will show you how to install a WordPress and make your website live, so any of your users can see your website. Okay, so for that you need to again go to your main domain, cPannel. Right after you are navigated to your cPannel, you can see software. Okay, it depends upon what you like to use. Okay, you go into quick install, you can see quick install. Right, then you will have option to install anything, I mean your preferred platform for a website: WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Magneto, anything. For now I'm going to install WordPress as I stated you earlier. Again, click on install WordPress, and now this is the main step where you will create a path. You will choose a domain where you want to install the WordPress. So I have already created a website already, so this is our test URL where I'm going to install now. Okay, so I will put my email address. Okay, admin user will be same. I will keep for now same and same. Okay, this is just a test for the tutorial purpose. So after this you will click install WordPress. It will offer you a paid theme, but for now I am fine for using the WordPress default thing, so I will click here no thanks, I am a web designer. sorry, this is saying that it's space, that's why. Sorry for that. Okay, I will again click install WordPress and the same. After clicking install, see, now I have created a subdomain. Okay, this is the URL of your backend of your WordPress website. This is the login username, and this password you have to change after you log into your test. See, after you click, this is your subdomain, right? test.upportal.com/wp-admin. So this will open up my backend. So as per this, please save your credentials so you will not hassle later to find your username and password. Password we will uh, change later. I will show you how to reset, how to change your password. The name will be same. Okay, so this is the username, this will be the password. After you done, click on login. There is some error in my website. This is asking me to update to WordPress 5.7. So what I will do is I will click on update now, so everything will be your latest. Okay, I think this is okay. Ignore this. So this will be your dashboard. This will be your dashboard of your WordPress website. So you have successfully installed a WordPress in a subdomain. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, welcome back. So we have successfully installed WordPress in our subdomain. Okay, so this is your new dashboard. Okay, I have recently updated it to WordPress 5.7 and it is showing me information about WordPress 5.7. Okay, and this is all the default options you can find in a new WordPress website. Let me tell you guys, as soon as we install WordPress, it is still not live in the internet. Whenever you try to open your website, as I'm logged in, I can see my WordPress website. Okay, but if I'm not logged in, as I'm logged in, see, I can see my dashboard. Okay, you can see your website, how it looks. Hello world, this is your post, the default post, your recent post, archives, everything. This is your brand new website. I have not changed anything. Okay, but if you are not logged in, you will see coming soon web page, a banner here. But as we are logged in, being admin, you can see how your WordPress look like. Okay, you will have dashboard, Jetpack. It is the most important plugin you need to have in your website, WordPress website. And from here you can create your new post. Media, this is the place from where you can upload your pictures and videos. Pages, you can add as many pages like about us, contact us, products page, your anything. It depends upon your business or your, let's say, option, what pages you want in your website. Okay, and opt-in monster is a plugin, SEO plugin, which gives you analytics of your website. Okay, WP forms, marketplace, appearance is the place from where you can choose your themes, you can customize it, you can add widgets, you can add menus, you can rearrange menus. Okay, and also you can edit your theme from the backend. And this is the place called plugins. This is the most important part in your website, from where you can add many plugins like SEO plugins or anything like Facebook page plugin, anything. I will guide you step by step. But now as we created earlier. Okay, this was admin page, right, and I told you we need to reset the password for the admin user. In the default, you will get whenever you install WordPress, as I showed you in other video, you will get your admin username and password. Okay, from here you can change that password so that you will not have problem in the next login. You don't need to find that old password, right? So this will be like I will just you pay portal one. So this will be my website password for the dashboard. Whenever I will go to test.upportal.com/wp-admin. Okay, from the next time onwards I will put the username test site and the password will be this. After this you click on update profile. Okay, so this will be the users and tools from where you can import. If you have already you have blog post or pages, or you want to import from other website, the content from other website, you can just import from here. Or export means if you have already built a website, you have many posts, pages, categories, tags, images. Okay, from here you can export it, or let's say you can have a backup of your website. Site health is most important part of your WordPress website. It will show you how your website needs any updates or anything. Like, see, it's saying me your website does not use HTTPS. It's a secured protocol. For now I have not installed it here. It's just HTTP. Okay, and it's also giving me to remove inactive plugins and themes which I have freshly installed in this website. It depends upon you to remove plugins, themes. Okay, and the most important part is settings, where you will have general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, privacy. Permalinks is the most important thing in your WordPress website. It will show you how your URL looks like. Okay, for here I prefer post name. So whenever I post any blog post or pages, it will be like URL will be this, then after it will be the subheading will be the page name, the URL. Okay, let's say the post name. Okay, I will click it, save changes. Okay, inside is same like opt-in monster, like it will be your analytics for your website. Okay, you can see your site is currently displaying coming soon page. If you are not logged in the dashboard and you type test.yourdomain.com, it will show you coming soon page. Okay, only click or let's say launch your website once you are okay with your website, your home page, your post, everything, so that whenever user keep your URL in the internet, they can see a live website, not coming soon page. Okay, so in the next post I will show you how to create a new post, pages, how to add plugins, how to change the appearance, the themes, according to your needs and your business time. Okay, thank you for watching. Hi, welcome back guys. So in this post I will show you how to create a new post, a brand new post to your website. Until now, if you see your website from the backend, it's nothing. It's blank. Okay, hello world is the title, welcome to the WordPress. It is the default content you will have in your WordPress website. So I will teach you how to create a new post. For that you need to hover, or let's say click on post, hover the post. You can see all post. All post means it will show you how many posts you have created until now. Add new means you will be allowed to create a new post, and you know about the categories and tags. Okay, it depends if you want to create tags, or you want to create a category. It depends upon the type of website you are creating. If you are creating a blog about any news portal, you need to have categories and tags. But if you are creating a for a business which doesn't have any categories, you don't need this. Okay, it depends upon your needs and requirements. For now I'm going to show you how to create a new post. So this is all the post. As I clicked on all post, so this is the only post I have here, hello world. So for now you can also delete this, or you can just edit the first post. Okay, but if you want to continue without editing the hello world and want to create a new post, you can click on add new. Okay, also I will create also add new. So this is the Gutenberg editor, the new editor WordPress gave us for easy editing to create post. Okay, so this was your uh, old post. As I showed you in this hello world, welcome to the WordPress, it's the same thing. You can change this to anything. I mean, you can create a new post, same like that. For now, okay, let me, no, you have to edit this one. Okay, so I will just guide you how to edit or create a new post. It's the same thing. You add a new post, you can add a title or description. Okay, so what I will do is I will edit the same post for now. In the same way you can add new post every time. Okay, add new, add new. And if you want to see all the posts at the same time, you can click on hover on post, and you can click on all posts, so you will see all the posts whatever you have published or saved before. Okay, for now to teach you, let me cancel this default. I will create a new title for the new post. Okay, for that what you need to do is for now I will just choose the dummy text. So I'm going to search in Google dummy text. Okay, I can find Lipsum generator. So this is the dummy text you can use in your demo website. I mean, just to for the tutorial. So this is the title. I want this to be the title, so I will keep here in the title. So this will be my description of my post. What this actually means, I mean, like what this topic is all about. For now I'm just copying and pasting the dummy text, as you can see here. Okay, this was for now. So I have created 3 paragraphs for my post. So whenever you are going to create a post, you need to check for many things like the title, how the URL will work. Okay, regarding SEO I will teach you in the other videos. For now it's just for the beginners. Drop cap means okay, let's go with the general things. After I have created the title and written the description about this title, okay, we have to publish this post so that it will be live in the website. Okay, you can directly publish. You can see here publish. Okay, so after you have click on publish, if you refresh the website, you will see your brand new post. in your website. See, hello world is gone down. It was the first post, and this is the second post which I created just now. So there is a space. What I will do is I will remove the space here. Okay, and again update the page, and I will refresh here. See, now everything is aligned. So this is the place where you can add links, you can add images to your blog post, or you can just edit everything, like make bold from here. Okay, if you select all, you can check the alignment, how your text will be aligned. Okay, also you can insert link from here. You have to type the URL, or you can copy and paste the URL for which you want to, which page you are targeting for. Let's say for now I want to put the URL in this printing. Okay, so I will select this, okay, and copy this, and I will click on link and I will paste. Okay, so what will happen is it will be turned into a link, as you can see here. Okay, so the main part of this is in the right hand side. Okay, after you created a post, I have just published it for your reference, just to guide you. But before publishing, you have to check all these requirements here. You have to check a permalinks, how your URL will be given. Okay, for this specific post, it will be like test.domain.com slash what hyphen is hyphen lorem hyphen ipsum. Okay, now if you go to the post and if you click on the post, just I created, see, you can see what is lorem ipsum. This is the same URL slug which has been used. You can also change this according to your requirement. If you don't want any word here, just delete it and again update. Okay, you can see your post has been updated to lorem ipsum only. There is no what is. Okay, the second most important thing is, as I said you earlier, you can toggle between your categories, your tags, and feature image. Feature image is a thing like to show an image of this main post. I mean, what this post is all about. The featured image you can add from here. Okay, excerpt is the main let's say description for your post, what this post is all about. If you want to rank in Google, or let's say if you want your website to be ranked in any of the search engine platform, excerpt is essential. Okay, it is given default by the WordPress, but also we can use it with the SEO plugin. I will show you later how to install SEO plugin, how to use it, how to create title, meta tags, description, SEO keywords, how you choose your keywords and all. Okay, so this is for now. As you have seen, I have updated, and this is my post. Okay, title, my URL, my default text, I mean the post, and it is published. But remember guys, it is not still active, I mean live. It is still under uh, construction until unless you click this button.
So guys, after registering a domain name, your preferred name, and having a hosting, I mean, let's say hosting, so this will be your cPannel of your hosting account. After you buy a plan from them, okay, they will provide you with the name servers, okay, which you have to divert through your domain name to your hosting. Okay, and also you will have a cPanel details where you will find all this information, like create new account, list account, add a package, everything, your cPannel. Okay, so what we have done is we have registered a domain name. We buy a hosting from a hosting company. Now we are going to list that domain in our hosting, so that website can be live and we can install a WordPress in that particular domain. Okay, the first thing will be, now after you register a domain, you click on create a new account. The first thing you need to do before this is the domain name you buy, go in the cPannel of this domain name and add your name server of your hosting company. Okay, after that, after you create a new account, just enter your domain that you have registered, anything, okay, .com, anything, and make your username, create a strong password, type the same password. Okay, add any of the email, your personal email, and choose a package. You can already add this is the old hosting. I have many packages already done. As this is the new one for you, what you have to do is select option manually. Okay, so save manual setting as a package and add any name to your package name, something like domain, your domain name. Okay, like xyz company. Okay, and then after you have to allocate the space, how much space you want to give that to that particular domain or website. If it's an e-commerce website, you need to allocate more more space, but as this is the only trial I'm going to show you, this will be 1 GB. Okay, other you don't need to touch nothing more, because this is the only thing which take you space from your hosting. I mean, if you buy 50 GB hosting and allocate 20 GB only to a single website, it will be more. I mean, you don't need that much, right? So below, go to below and click create. Okay, see, I talked about the name server. Just put this name server on your domain cPannel DNS name, alternate DNS name. Okay, add there, make sure to add there and click on create. So I have already created account for my website. Okay, that's here. After you create an account, you can access this cPannel. I mean, behind the bars. I mean, to install, to change codes, anything you can do it from here. It's a file cPannel of your single domain. Okay, now after that, to install a new website, okay, we are talking about a WordPress website. What we have to do is we have to go to quick install. Okay, after you have redirected your DNS name, as I told, to connect between Namecheap, I mean the domain name and the hosting. Okay, add the name server that this hosting company gives you to the Namecheap domain DNS. Okay, after that, click on quick install, and these are the platform which you can install for your particular website. Also, you can find pre-built themes which if you add to cart and make a new website, it will be automatically installed and you have to edit. As we are going to install a fresh website, click on install WordPress. Okay, we are going to install a WordPress website, so just click on install WordPress. Right, so after that you can see option to install WordPress for free. You need to just click install WordPress. Okay, then after you have to fill the form, like where you want to install the website. You have to write admin email, blog title, what is your website, your company name or anything. Okay, your username, your first name and your last name, and then after click install WordPress. Guys, after you click on install WordPress, the WordPress platform will be installed in your domain name, I mean in your hosting, but pointed towards your domain name, so that every time you install your, you type your domain name, new WordPress will be appeared. New website is live. But before that, you need to edit, you need to make a new website. You need to add home page, about us, your products, right, your description, your contact us pages, let's say 5 pages website. Okay, I will teach you how to do that.